4-star. It's a 3-star. But they're meant to be good, aren't they?
I don't know, we'll have to find out. See where you put us.
Where do we go in? Where do we go in? It's like a little court, isn't it? Little courtroom.
It's a massive room. Big room.
It is, walkway. Isn't it?
Yeah. Your little fairy lights.
And this
You
is
like
our
fairy
restaurant
lights?
for breakfast tomorrow.
Rest of wellness.
We're only investigating there tomorrow morning. That's if we make it. Because they're 2 hours ahead.
Oh,
We'll be laying in bed and it's
11 o'clock,
midday.
yeah, midday. Half a day's gone.
Now for a quick game of what's behind the door. You go first.
Pretty dark. Where's there a light? Look at this. And the bed. It's like 70s though, isn't it? It's like a time
I really
warp.
like this. Do you know why?
It is a time.
It's the ceiling.
It is a time warp. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this bathroom. Look, goes round the corner.
Joking.
Look at that.
What's around the corner?
Heated hand towel. Can you remember what she said? 7 till 10. There's shower. Oh, and it has a hairdryer.
Look how big this room is. The ceiling's up.
Wow. Oh. Yeah. Look how high.
Look at that big vaulted ceiling.
Well, you've got a modern TV.
Oh, it's not.
It's really unusual, isn't it?
It's
I've
really
never
nice.
had a room this big.
Should we do the bed test?
Go on then. Bed test.
Oh, really comfortable.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a massive bed.
Oh.
Oh! I didn't expect that.
No.
Wow. Different. Looks a bit 70s. I can't believe how big the ceilings are. Oh my god. Do you know why it feels even bigger? Because we're short. And we're on the first floor, so I don't have to get in a lift. Yay!
This is really nice. How big is this room?
I know. I didn't expect the bathroom to be like that. With tie bags.
Look, I'll undo the curtain.
Go on and close it because you're on the ground floor. They might spy in. Look at how big that curtain. Oh my lord. Look at it.
This is really nice. I love this room. I've got loads of space.
Oh, that must be the city gate thing that they, where we are.
The arch.
The arch. It's really like retro, isn't it?
No, I can't believe the bathroom. Did you get the bathroom from this room?
Yeah, yeah. Now?
So, go to back there, look, with the light on.
Look at it right down there. I'm loving it. You know what this little thing is? Let's go and investigate. Vilnius by night. I think we've got a little Italian man there, a little Italian restaurant. He's making his pizzas. It's a pizza place. They were quite reasonable in there as well.
Did you see a price list then?
Yeah, in the hotel. They only were €3.
Wow.
Wow, look at Vilnius by night.
So we're going to go to the arch.
We'll go see what's through the arch.
We're going
Because that's
through
meant
the
to
arch.
be where the fairy lights are in the distance. There it is. Well, I'm quite liking this hotel.
Yeah. What would you give the hotel?
Well, it's set back in time, isn't it? So, I think it's lovely. Let's go and investigate. What's through the tunnel?
The Arch of Fairy Lights.
Golden arches.
No, that's McDonald's.
That's McDonald's, I know.
This is the Fairy
What
Light
is
Arch.
through the arch?
What's it going to be?
What is it gonna be? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Look at those fairy
But it's
lights.
not, it's February.
At Christmas. Fairy lights. It's like it's Christmas again. Look at them all. Right. I think. Through the arches. Do you think this is a road we're in though? It's lovely, doesn't it? It's like in a courtyard.
The umbrellas hanging from the ceiling.
Oh yeah, you can see them on the ceiling. No, I don't want fancy squid though.
Well, it's not really squid. Oh, look at this.
Wow,
Does that mean it's going to rain?
I think it is. How fantastic is that? So you can sit out there or stand out there. It's probably a smoking area.
Food.
Cellar bar goes right down underground. Look, that's a pub. It's got Guinness. We love our sausages it's got on there, look. Look at that.
Should we go in there?
No. We're having a look around first.
It's an English telephone box.
I'm liking the top hats down there. Telephone box.
It's an English pub.
It's an English pub.
It's got like Union Jacks everywhere. Look.
No.
No, it's not nasty Union Jacks.
It's got a red telephone box in there, and it's not. You'd expect it to be a church, but it's not. It's just a road that goes through it. Wow. They're all down there that's lit up.
Love it.
Look at these buildings. Who would have thought that Vilnius was like this?
We didn't really know what it's going to be like.
I didn't know what I was expecting in Lithuania. There's not many people around though. Who do you think he is? He's someone important. So beautiful. It looks really posh. So well lit up as well, isn't it? With all these lovely bright lights. Look at it right down there. Really light it up, don't they? I wonder where all the people are though.
We're indoors because it's so cold. They're probably in these restaurants and bars.
We're going to investigate what's over in that far distance over there.
Yeah.
Should we go and see? Dawn Chapel of Mary, Mother of Mary. No, Mother of Mercy. Get it right, Kim. Service today. They're all praying. Let's go up there, but there's a service. We'll try again tomorrow. Dun dun dun.
It's the city gate. That famous Renaissance picture, apparently.
And we climbed all the way up there.
It's a heart attack.
Oh, I feel a heart attack. On the stairs after eating a big dinner. Right, let's go through the city gate. City gate. Isn't it? City gate to the old town. Coming out of the old town.
My bag's hanging up. Where's the husband? I can see him in the mirror.
I'm using the hand warmer.
What are you doing?
I'm using the hand warmer. That's what it is. It's a hand warmer.
Come on then, you. Come on.
More cake. We're loving cake. In a room with some strange channel on. In bed.
Oh, you in bed?
Yeah. Oh look, that's where we put the umbrella on the bed. Look.
Ella.
The Ella. We've got made the bed all wet now. Eating cake. No. Oh my lord. Look at it. I don't know if it's picking it up or not though. Look at that. It's really thick as well, isn't it? Oh, God.
There you go, look.
It might not settle. Is it coming down? Can you see it?
Look.
Picking up the snow because it's too dark out there. But you can just about see it coming. I don't know if it's settled because the floor's damp. It's really thick.
Coming down.
Oh.